Potoro yo kubinga abarikwogyeza motoka na piki omubisharara omururembo rwa Hoima yaba omu bicweka by'omugyera gwa Wambabya Bwijuka kigaragara n'ahandi kandi okwo niyo abavugi barikukira kwogyeza ebyiruka byabo.
We are even coming for those that are growing crops there within the 30-meter buffer. We are trying to guide those who are making the bricks within the 30-meter buffer. If they are not organized to come and discuss with the city on how best we can work together, we shall also impound their equipment and also get them away from the 30-meter buffer of the fragile ecosystems, including riverbanks.
It warrants that we are going to pull down structures we are going to pull, because most of these structures are not permitted legally, they are not approved. So we shall follow the legal processes. If it means pulling down structures, we shall pull them down. But today was just the beginning.
Potoro egi bakwatira motoka na piki kandi abarikoze motoka bayereka obutashemererwa.
So where are you going?
Chala omugoba aliyewa mwana gogoba wanene yabasuma bayitira kunyita kubakwata konga ajja kufa kukwata basuma batta kuwinga abantu ngenda leka obusuma yongere mu
John Tumwesije orukurura abarikoze motoka ha muhanda gwa Bujumbura na Rogers Abdegeko wa Mika bahintekaateka z'abahororeje.
Tutaketekaniza tukatukoza nezibali yaitu tutakanangu taketekaniza twentu zakasente kutereza hano kwa gwekolera bakunu kawulira ridi batatwe na baro kugamba ati ngo bagamye munanke obaki kitabi tukawuramba ridi twagamba teka tusokungige tutaka kunaka bakunu wetu tunange tarike tukulya bakunu ebiruke bindi bitakunabira yo
abakonde nuko yiya nkufune kyokulya odi bakuja bakupota bakuja ukogye motoka niyo kuye kyokulya kitegereze paka twakano machi tukwata okikenge batwakano machi twatandika kwogeza iguru abasajja bakuja batukota tukosere ki musango ki
motoka na piki byakwatwa babihiriza bakama babyo nkomudingo gumo gwo kubarabara obutagarika ku bitwaro mu bisharara gashaka no gaba Ambrose Katoto.